Hello guys, welcome back to another JB Creeper. So I'm doing a Creeper here. We're going to do a bit a bird simulator. Oh sorry for this. I did do a bit last time, but it wasn't recorded. Sorry. So here we're going to go. I'm gonna go 10 minutes, and I'll go probably like 7 minutes. So yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna try to do like 7 minutes. And if I don't sound very well, that's because of the time. So yeah. Sorry. Okay. So that every time it gets in my flavor show that every time. It's kind of like an intro. So if you can't hear me very well, I'll just turn it down. I'm sorry. It'll be better next time. Oh, dang it. That was a snail. Slugs. But I'm gonna go high. I'm just gonna dive down into the water. 2 minutes, we're at 2 minutes. 4 minutes to go! Yeah! I'm gonna go as high as I can. Into a tree. That's horrible. Nope, not. No, we don't want to go into a tree. We don't want to go in. Okay. No, I want to go back up. Here you go. Let's go back up. I don't want. Okay. Okay. Bounce egg birdie, yeah. Okay, let's go find some food. I'm kind of hungry. Any food here? Any food at all? Oh, what is this? Oh, dang it, it's a hummingbird. I thought it was food. I don't know, like, I didn't know they could fly. I don't even, like, play or as an insect. Yeah. Okay. Food. Oh, for the first time it didn't fill me all the way up. Let's see what happens if I get my thirst all the way down. Okay, let's just unplug my headphones. Oh, sorry. Whoa. Unplug my headphones because it got loud for a second, and I didn't want that. I don't want it to get loud. Ooh, ladybug. Spider. Wow, I'm eating a lot. Okay, ooh, another spider. Wow, I've eaten a lot of spiders. Oh my gosh, another spider. It'd be hilarious if I found it'd be hilarious if I found like two grouped together. Well, I did, so that worked out well. And no, I did not plan that. I did not plan that at all. Yeah. Okay. Seeing a lot of spiders today. Oh, my thirst. I'm thirsty. Okay, I can take as big as drinks as I want. So I just gotta barely touch it, and my water goes all the way up. Now that sound in the background, that is not me. Okay, they're like, that's not me. If you can even hear it, I can tell you this, I can. I don't know if you can though. Oh, okay. So I may be a bit. I may be a bit loud. I could just fly in the water. I am one with the water. I'm just gonna stand here for the rest of the video. No. Well, actually I could because it's only like 20. Only it'd be a little bit longer. I wanted to get a level 5. I was gonna have more time, but that isn't gonna work. Okay. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Check out my other Bird Simulator videos. And so, yeah, check out my other videos. My other Bird Simulator videos. They're not all Bird Simulator videos. And if the audio was a bit off today, I'm so sorry. But, yeah, thanks. Bye. Oh, spider. I want to eat the spider, and then I'm going to have the video. Alrighty, bye.